Good morning, ma'am, and hello, friends. My name is Dipti, and my roll number is 5508. My presentation topic is canonical factorization. So, before coming to the main topic, first we will start with some basic concepts used. So, first of all, what is an inner function? An inner function is a function m belongs to h infinity for which mod of m star is equal to 1 almost everywhere on T. Here m star denoted the radial limit of m defined by m star of e raised to power iota theta is equal to limit r tends to 1 m of r e raised to power iota theta. Now what is an outer function? If phi is a positive measurable function on T such that log phi is equal to L1T, and if theta z is equal to C into exponential of 1 upon 2 pi integration minus pi to pi e raised to power iota t plus z upon e raised to power iota t minus z log phi e raised to power iota t dt for z belongs to U, then theta is called an outer function. Here C is constant with mod C is equal to 1. Now coming to the main topic, that is canonical factorization. If f belongs to Hp, where Hp is the space of functions analytic in D, and fz not equal to 0, then fz is equal to bz gz, where g is a non-vanishing Hp function with mod of gx is equal to mod of fx almost everywhere, and bz is a Blaschke product for the upper half plane given by bz is equal to z minus iota upon z plus iota raised to power m into product of mod of zn square plus 1 upon zn square plus 1 into z minus zn upon z minus zn conjugate. Here m is a non-negative integer and zn are the zeros of f in D, can be finite or infinite in number. This factorization can be redefined to produce a canonical factorization for Hp functions. The space HPD will be considered first. Now theorem. Each function f belongs to HPD has a unique factorization of the form fz is equal to e raised to power iota ax into bz sz gz, where alpha greater than equal to 0, bz is a Blaschke product of the form 1, sz is equal to exponential of iota into integration minus infinity to infinity 1 plus tz upon t minus z dvt for some non-decreasing function vt of bounded variation over interval minus infinity to infinity with v dash t is equal to 0 almost everywhere, and gz is equal to e raised to power iota gamma exponential of 1 upon pi iota integration minus infinity to infinity 1 plus tz log of omega t upon t minus z into 1 plus t square dt for some real number gamma and some measurable function omega t greater than equal to 0 with the limits integration minus infinity to infinity log omega t upon 1 plus t square greater than minus infinity and integration minus infinity to infinity omega t raised to power p upon 1 plus t square less than infinity. Conversely, if f has the form 2 where alpha greater than equal to 0, bz is an arbitrary Blaschke product and the functions vt and omega t have the properties indicated, then f belongs to HPD. So to prove this, first we will take that f belongs to HPD and we are to prove that it has unique factorization of the form e raised to power iota ax bz sz gz. So to prove this, if f belongs to HPD, then by canonical factorization theorem for HP spaces, we have fw is equal to f of psi w is equal to bw sw phi w, where bw is a Blaschke product for the disk SW is singular inner function and phi w is an outer function for the class HP. If we define dz is equal to b of psi z, the expression 1 follows from the corresponding formula for b. So bz is a Blaschke product of the form 1 with w is equal to phi of z and e raised to power iota theta is equal to psi of t. We get e raised to power iota theta plus w upon e raised to power minus iota theta minus w is equal to 1 plus dz upon iota into t minus z, and d theta is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Thus gz is equal to phi of psi of z has the form 4 with wt is equal to 1 mod of ft. The property phi of omega follows from the property log of mod of f of e raised to power iota theta belongs to L1 and f of e raised to power iota theta belongs to LB. Finally, taking into account the possible jumps of mu at 0 and 2 pi, we have log s of psi of z is equal to iota integration minus infinity to infinity 1 plus tz upon t minus z dvt plus iota alpha z, where vt is equal to mu into argument of psi t and alpha greater than equal to 0. Conversely, if f is an arbitrary function of the form 2, then we are to prove that f belongs to HPD. So to prove this, we have mod of fz raised to power p less than equal to mod of gz raised to power p, and which is equal to exponential of 1 upon pi integration minus infinity to infinity y log of omega t raised to power p upon x minus t का whole square plus y square into dt, and this is less than 1 upon pi integration minus infinity to infinity y into omega t raised to power p upon x minus t square plus y square dt, and z is equal to x plus iota y by the geometric arithmetic mean inequality. Thus, mod of fz raised to power p has a harmonic measurement in D, hence the proof of the theorem. Now here are some references. Thank you.